Now, Dmitry, you've sowed a little seed in my brain, and it's stayed there, and I'm ready to talk about it now, which is leverage, shorting.
Okay.
And the reason is because, and a lot of people, anyone watching this, some will agree with me, some won't, but I see a lot of cryptocurrencies a bit like penny stocks. 99, or I should say 90% of them are bullshit. And that creates a lot of opportunities for traders, because in the penny stock market, and I know a trader, Stephen Ducks, who did very well out of this, you know, when something that you know is a piece of crap goes up, you know what goes up must eventually come down. And he made a fortune shorting these, and it's been very difficult to do that same strategy in the crypto space. But you know, for the traders watching, there's a very good strategy there where you can have very high reward to very little risk by shorting, by protecting your stop loss, and by shorting at the point in time when you know this piece of crap company that's not even real has been booming up because of sentiment or hype or shilling or whatever. You need the ability to short to make that money. So are you going to offer the ability for people to short?
I need to make some clarity here. So first of all, we're not going to trade the shitcoins and all this like currencies.
Damn it.
That's first thing. Because basically, yeah, you have to remember. So when someone shorts this crap coin or penny stock, so there is another side of the trade. So someone else longs basically. So in the end of the day, so someone always loses. So if someone wins, someone always loses. So this sort of thing. Yeah, we don't want to consolidate for the like shit coins. And also the second thing is that when you do this leverage, so especially in cryptocurrency where there is no fractional reserve possible, so you can't basically do this on paper.
Right.
So there are basically like three options how you can do this. The first option is sort of like derivative, which we're not considering because it's an additional regulation, and all these derivatives which exist in the market today is more like casino style, like gambling style instruments rather than the actual normal things. And another stuff is when you actually borrow these coins and sell them on the spot market, and therefore you create a short position. But the buyer basically walks away with the coins they bought. Right. So that's the second, and this is divided into two different approaches how you can do this. So you have to provide this liquidity for lending of these coins in order to be able to short them, right? And this liquidity can be either provided by the liquidity provider or by the professional company which specializes in that, or by the public. And our way to go is the liquidity provider. So the professional liquidity provider will be providing the liquidity for the leverage. But that means that this company has the positions in all these crypto assets. And therefore we won't be able to do the smaller cap. So we will do the leverage for major currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin.
And so your filter for that is market cap or track record or
market cap, the trading volumes, and so basically, so these guys who provide the liquidity. So these are the investment companies which hold the positions in every asset. So obviously, if it's like crap assets, so nobody will hold the position in it substantial enough to provide the liquidity. So that's the point.
Okay, so people like me who want to take advantage of the shit coins, they'll have to trade it somewhere not as secure as CRIX, but we can short on the decent coins on the CRIX exchange, which is actually very useful because you do also need liquidity if you're shorting like that. So that's all.
Hi, it's Sean here from the Crypto Wizards YouTube channel. What you've just seen is a snippet of a much longer interview of what it takes behind the scenes to start a cryptocurrency exchange, which is awesome stuff because you won't find this content or information anywhere else online. So there's some really good stuff here you don't want to miss out on. If you are interested in following this journey, if you are interested in algorithmic trading, or you are interested in what it takes to set up fiat gateways, etc., or just want to follow Nick and Dmitry in general as thought leaders in the space, then make sure you find the playlist, Crypto Exchange, the CRIX Journey, here on the Crypto Wizards channel. And we'll see you in the next video.